I do.
Oh yeah. There we go.
Extension and lateral flexion.
Yeah, let this go. That's it. That's it. There you go. There it is. Yep. Oh yeah. Let it go. Yes, sir.
Working properly.
I'll drive up and in the second segment, disrupt your stretch that. Good.
Good, all the way. Oh!
Perfect.
Oh yeah. Now there's your morning crackalicious. There.
Oh, Joe, go there.
My hand. There we go. Yes, ma'am. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am. Good job.
Very good. Very good. Completely exhale. Very good. Very good. Very, very good. Very good. Very good. That was a good one. Oh, nice. There we go. Perfect. Way.
Oh, Jesus, yes. Oh my gosh.
Good girl.
Okay, now just relax this one right in my hand here. Perfect. Good job. My hand. Perfect. Okay, good. We'll have to check her post adjustment of her whole spine on the X, Y, and Z axes. Perfect. Good job. The reason I know all these comments is because every time you guys leave a comment, drop it right in my hand. It's the Palmer cervical rotary brake diversified. Is it takes? There we go. Yep. Okay, got one more. Let your neck go right in my hand and with your left big toe. There you go. Good. So a lot of people say when they first start getting adjusted, they hear those. Okay, I got you. Let it go. That's it. Perfect. Ooh. Good job. Well, you needed that today. Yes. Let it go. There you go. Okay, now tilt left. There you go. Perfect. Lines. Excellent. There we go. Good.
Don't move. Good. Right there. Good.
Ow. Right on a pillow. Good. Let everything go. And boom.
Was. Good.
Uno más. Bueno.
So.
Compression adjustment. Their spine. Boy, oh boy, you're being cooperative. There. And yes.